I have a lot of good memories on this river. It hasn't changed at all, really. I remember shooting canoes, building campfires, fishing for trout on these very shores. But I have been gone for quite a long time. So today, I just want to sit here on this rock and soak it all in. I miss seeing the mountain waters dancing between the rocks. Miss the roar of the rapids carving a route toward the sea. I miss that river smell. It's mighty good to be back. Mighty good indeed. I didn't expect to see this visitor here today. Old-timers call these teeter asses for the way they bob up and down, perching on the rocks. But his real name is the American Dipper. Our only songbird that swims underwater and spends its entire life very close to the clear mountain streams. I really miss the Dipper's song and dance. He's welcome to dance and sing for me. More than welcome while I'm here. I have such fond memories on this river. So many good times. I guess I shouldn't have stayed away so long.